We got this BMW X5 here, and it's got roof racks across the rails, and I was experiencing a lot of noise with them. Anything over 35 miles an hour, and the faster you go, the louder it gets, and it's pretty much intolerable at interstate speeds. And the odd thing about this is, if there's any sort of crosswind at all, it gets modulated, and it sounds like a robotic voice speaking to you. And it's a very odd thing, but I'd seen on the internet where people were wrapping rope across the bars and claiming that it quieted down the rails. And so I tried it, and it worked wonders. There is a slight amount of wind noise that I notice, but I no longer get that strong harmonic vibration that the rails were generating. And I noticed the rails did have some little fins in the bottom here that the factory put in there, but it really didn't seem to help, or it still was very loud. If they weren't there, no telling how much louder it would be. But these things work great. I'm gonna leave them on there just like that with the rope. And just want to let you know, if you've got some loud noise on your rails, wrapping it with rope definitely fixes it.